name is Praveen. I'm the senior counselor for MBBS in abroad. So now we are going to start how which is the best option for you to study in abroad according to the student's budget. So now let me start up. I hope you can you are able to see my screen. So right now, okay.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Thank you. So, for Indian students, there are 12 countries in which normally Indians are going abroad to complete their MBBS program. And in overall 12 countries, approx 15,000 students are going every year to pursue their dreams of MBBS. And we found around 400 MCI accredited universities available in abroad. Apart from India, we found around 400 universities are there, which is Medical Council of India accredited by. And now, why MBBS from abroad? This is a major question. Apart from India, there are many countries are there, like around 12 countries are there where normally Indian students are going to study their MBBS program. And the benefits to study MBBS from the abroad are low cost to study MBBS, a large scholarship is available, English taught programs are available, and the minimum eligibility criteria will be 50 to 70 percentage in physics, chemistry, and biology in class 12, large hospital affiliation, world-class infrastructure, and low eligibility for admission criteria. So these are the main, you can say, why students are choosing MBBS from abroad. Now, these are the popular countries where normally Indian students are going to complete their MBBS program, like Russia, Ukraine, USA, China, Georgia, Poland, Belarus, Philippines, Kyrgyzstan, and also Malaysia as well. Now, this is a major question in front of students. Which country we have to choose to complete our MBBS program as per the budget? So this is the table where you can see on my screen that how much is your budget. According to that, you can select a specific university and a specific country. For example, the first column you can see if you have the budget of 10 to 15 lakh rupees overall budget in your families. I mean, if you're carrying 10 to 15 lakh rupees budget, then the best country within this budget, you can choose Kyrgyzstan as a best country. And there are many options, but I just mentioned a specific university's name, that this Kyrgyzstan State Medical University is the one of the best option if you have the budget of 10 to 15 lakh rupees. Now, the second, if you have the budget of 15 to 20 lakh rupees, in that situation, Russia is one of the best option, in which there are 4-5 best universities. For example, Kazan State Medical University and Ryazan State Medical University, People Friendship University, and many more universities are comes under between 15 to 20 lakh rupees. So if you have this much budget, then Russia is one of the best option for the MBBS in abroad. Now, if you have the budget between 20 to 30 lakh rupees, overall budget I'm saying, so then in that situation, Ukraine is one of the best option. And in Ukraine, again, there are many best universities. In the next slide, I will be going to share to you the Ukraine universities and many more country-wise universities, which are best universities. And then if you have the budget, again, between 30 to 40 lakh rupees, then there are in Russia, again, best universities are available within this budget. Overall, if we talk about Russia, then there are total 55 universities available in Russia, which is MCI accredited, means Medical Council of India affiliated. So out of these 55 universities, if you have two kinds of budget, like 15 to 20 lakh rupees, then also you will find 5 to 10 best universities. And if you have the budget in between 30 to 40 lakh rupees, then also you will find the best option in Russia. For example, Moscow State Medical University, which comes under world top class university, but the budget required at least 30 to 40 lakh rupees overall of duration 5 to 6 years. Now, if your budget is around 40 to 60 lakh rupees, in between that, then Poland is the best option, in which again University of Laws and many other universities are available within this budget. And but yeah, in Poland there will be an entrance exam, so you have to mentally prepare. If you are selecting Poland as a country for MBBS, then there will be an entrance exam before going to study in that university. So you have to prepare for the entrance examination. Now, if you have the budget of 65 lakh rupees overall budget, then in that situation, USA is the one of the best option, and few universities like USA, there are actually many universities with different budget levels. So I just mentioned one university name with 65 lakh rupees budget, but there are many options. Like before two presentation, you have seen American University of Caribbean. Their budget is around 1 crore 80 lakh rupees approx, and the duration for the MBBS program will be 11 years in the USA. So in USA, there are different kind of options and budget levels. But if you have 65 lakh rupees, then you will be going to find 5 to 6 best universities within this budget. One of the best universities is Spartan Health Science University within this budget. Now, if you have the budget more than 65 lakh rupees, then in that situation I mentioned here in India, so you have like two kind of option. If you're looking for abroad studies in this budget 55 lakh rupees, then you will find Malaysia as the best option within 65 lakh rupees. And but if you have the need score a good qualified, I mean, if you have the need very good score, even you can attempt in India. If you have the need not good score, but you have the budget of at least 65 lakh rupees or more than that, in that situation, you can find Malaysia as the best option for you. Now, if we talk about initially about MBBS abroad in Russia, so the best part in Russia is 100% admission surety and 100% visa. So no need to go anywhere to get the visa. Our company Study Metro will be going to do your entire process, like admission part, visa part, and also translation, legalization, apostille, currency exchange. Everything my Study Metro will be going to take care. So student have to no need to go for entire process, no need to do struggle. Uh, while sitting in the home, our Study Metro team will be going to process entire from the admission till visa. They will be going to assist in each and every steps. Now, why choose Russia? We are going to just mentioning here specific country wise why specific Russia is good for the MBBS program. So, why first question, why choose Russia? So the best part is there is no donation at all. We no need to give any donation, no entrance exam, easy admission process. Russia medical degree are well recognized by WHO and MCI. Wide range possibility for the clinical practice. And if you done MBBS from the Russia, then you are the registered doctor till your life in Russia at least. So you will become a lifetime doctor in Russia. And the minimum wages is mentioned here. And you can say Russia is one of the best country where you will be going to find the affordable price of MBBS program and also a good future over there. Now, 7 top ranking universities in Russia, which is affiliated by MCI, Medical Council of India, and WHO. So it's mentioned over here. Out of all this university, I thought I just not mention Moscow State Medical University, which is also one of the top 1 university. It's not available here, but yeah, it is top 1 college, Moscow State Medical University. And their budget is around 44 lakh rupees overall of duration 5 years. Rest of the universities here available. It's very few universities are available, 7 top universities, but apart from that, we are Study Metro is dealing with overall 55 universities. So if a student having any university specific interest, then they can just connect to Study Metro counselor, any of the counselor. So we will be going to help you each and every university of Russia, because we are dealing with all universities which is affiliated by MCI in Russia. These are very few universities which I mentioned, but frankly speaking, we are dealing with all the universities available in Russia, which is accredited by MCI. Now, admission in the Russia, the below is mentioned the fee structure about the universities. So which all are the universities having different fee structure? As I mentioned, overall there are 55 universities. Few universities fee structure in INR. If we convert it into INR, it's mentioned over there. Like first year is the 7,38,000 will be the cost per year, and from the second year onwards it will cost around 6,27,000. So overall you will be going to find little bit high fee in the first year, because first year included extra charges like registration charges, admit card fee, and translation legalization fees. So it first year a little bit you will be going to find high compared with second year to sixth year fee, but not high. It will cost around between not more than 10 lakh rupees. So there are many universities, only 5-6 universities basic information I have mentioned, but yeah, if you have the budget from 12 lakh rupees till 48 lakh rupees, yes, there is an options in Russia. So whatever your budget, starting from 12 lakh rupees, then you can choose any university from the Russia, because Russia having 12 lakh, 14 lakh, 18 lakh, 20, 25, 30, 40, and up to 48 lakh rupees budget options available in the Russia country. Now, there is a major question which I just tried to explain through table, that which is the right time to do if you are looking for MBBS program in Russia. So in the month of April and May, you have to do anyhow registration with the study metro team. April and May is the right time to start the admission process, to do at least registration. Once you're done with the class 12 result in the month of May and June normally, then you have to just submit your 12th result. These are our 12th result in the month of May or June, whenever you get your result. Then in the month of June and July, once we will be going to provide you admission letter. In the month of June and July, this is the right time to get your admission letter in your hand. And in the month of July or August, this is the right time to get your invitation letter. In the month of August, normally you will get visa, and in the month of September, you will be going to fly from India. Now, this is the basic document required and eligibility criteria mentioned over there. 10th mark sheet certificate, 12th mark sheet certificate, passport, passport size photo. These are only the basic documents required to start the admission process. Now, eligibility criteria, 50% in physics, chemistry, biology is required, and a student should have at least minimum 17 years old. Now, these are the expenses in our processing fee. Our study metro processing fee is 75,000 plus 18% GST, and our processing fee includes these all 10 to 11 points. Like it includes admission letter fee, registration amount, invitation letter, document apostille fee, document attestation, document notarization, visa application stamping, transport to hotel and accommodation, admission and accommodation formalities, Indian meal on arrival. So one-time meal is free. It includes within 75,000 rupees, 10-minute phone call to India. So these all are the facilities which we are giving within our processing fee of 75,000 rupees. This is the best part. You can say Study Metro is one of the affordable and best consultancy which is not charging a lot to students for the MBBS program. If you go in the market, you will be going to find 2 lakh or 3 lakh or 4 5 lakh rupees charging from the consultancy, like consultancy charges. But if you contact to Study Metro, you will be going to find one of the best consultancy, Study Metro, where we are charging just minimum processing fee of only 75,000 rupees, in which we are giving this much facilities. Now, Russia student visa guideline. These are the normal document I have just mentioned, which documents required to start the visa process. And we are, don't worry, we are Study Metro will be going to help you in all these documents to collect it. Finally, you have to collect these documents, but yes, we are going to help you to how to collect these documents. Our team will be going to help you. Apart from Russia, now let me just give a little bit information about the Bangladesh fee structure. These are some universities. Normally, if a student is Muslim, they are going in Bangladesh. Normally, 99% chances. But yeah, anyone can go. And these are the basic information about hostel faculty, first installment, how much will be the tuition fees, and a bit information just mentioned over here. Now, medical studies in USA, as I told, in USA there are many kind of options to study. Like Spartan University budget required 65 lakh rupees overall, but if you talk about American University of Caribbean, they need a budget around 1 crore 80 lakh rupees. So there are various options available in the USA to study your MBBS program. So according to your budget, according to your demand, we will be going to help you. We will going to guide you the option. So you need to connect our Study Metro team so that we will going to give you the best option as per your demand, as per your requirement, what you are actually looking in the market. So MBBS, USA is very big market actually for MBBS program too. Some universities even start from 65 lakh rupees option. Some universities even you will be getting more than 2 crore rupees. So you have to contact a specific counselor just to guide you, to help you. Now, medical in Germany. To get admission in the Germany is very difficult task, but yeah, there is free education available in Germany for MBBS program too. In Germany, there is no such kind of MBBS program. Their MED, Master of Doctorate degree, is available, which is of duration 8 years. They are free of cost, but the medium of instruction will be German. There is no English medium facilities available in German. If you want to do MBBS from Germany, then you have to completely learn each and every subject in German language. No entrance exam test, but your 12th class at least required 92% minimum. If you have in class 12 physics, chemistry, biology 92%, then only you are eligible to get admission in Germany. And also you are supposed to have A1 and A2 German certification course with you, then only eligible to get admission in Germany. Now to benefit, we can just avoid as of now MBBS in China, because I don't think so anyone student will be going to go in China this year because of worse situation in China. So let me avoid this slide. Now, benefits to study MBBS in Kyrgyzstan. The duration of the MBBS will be there in 6 years. Low budget fees, like options, will be going to start from 1.5 lakh rupees per year, and limited seats there. So if you apply soon, you will be getting top ranking universities, no doubt. There are few benefits I've just mentioned, like low budget options is available, and classes will be 100% in English. These are the basic universities pictures and basic information like duration, Asian Medical Institute and Kyrgyzstan State Medical University or State Medical University. This is so-called their basic information. They are all are MCI approved university, and they mention their deadline to apply, duration, total fees, how much is there, and the basic pictures of the university. Now, to benefits to study in the Ukraine, there are basic information about Ukraine universities. Like no entrance exam required, classes 100% English. Admission procedure is very simple if you compare to other country. All the universities are MCI and WHO accredited. And yes, low tuition fees, cost of living as well here. Now, the benefits of to study MBBS in Latvia. Latvia is one of the Schengen country, as you know all very well. So in Schengen country also you can study MBBS, and Latvia is one of the cheapest option available in Schengen country, you can say. And their tuition fee is, if we calculate in INR, then 1.5 lakh rupees per year is their normal tuition fee. Classes 100% English language. Paid internship is also available in Latvia. All universities are governmentally approved university, and within the university campus, you will be going to find their own campus of accommodation. IELTS not at all required. The program intakes will be February and September. So 2 intakes are available every year from 2016 onwards. Now the benefits to study MBBS in Germany, Georgia. Georgia, we also have 2-3 universities available with us, which is very affordable in price. Like you can complete within 17 to 16 lakh rupees, or even some options 8 to 10 lakh rupees, complete MBBS program from Georgia. Like Kaushal, which is located in Tbilisi, location capital of the Georgia, and they also have many other programs like bachelor's in dentist, bachelor's in pharmacy, and many more courses available with them, and with the affordable price. Here also you can say kind of visa guarantees there with affordable price. Many students we have sent to that university. We can say a good feedback is from this university of Georgia. Now, benefits to study in Poland. Classes 100% English medium, low tuition fees, or low tuition fee in the sense here the tuition fee will go around overall, if we say in INR, then it will goes up to 60 lakh rupees. As I mentioned in the first slide of my table, I have mentioned the budget. So in the Poland, we require if you spend having the budget of 60 lakh rupees approx of duration 6 years, then only you can choose Poland as the best option to study. The entrance exam will be there, as I told, May, June, and July, these 3 months, there will be an entrance exam. And finally, the intake will be September. Duration will be 6 years, and they need at least 50% marks in class 12. But yeah, there is an entrance exam. So students are supposed to crack the entrance exam to get admission. That's it from my side, and these are some of the points why study metro. As I told you, one of the best reason to apply for MBBS from study metro is that if you compare the pricing, like processing fees, then you will not found anywhere the cheapest compared with study method. I mean, we are just charging the minimum cost from the student as a processing fees, and within this 75,000 rupees, not valid for all the countries. We are just charging 75,000 rupees only for the countries like Russia, Ukraine. But if you want to go in countries like Malaysia or USA, then sometimes we are charging only 5,000 rupees as a registration amount. That's it. We don't want any other charges. Few countries it require processing fee, but there are some countries in the market like Malaysia or USA where we just need 5,000 rupees as a registration amount, no any other charges to process the application. So that's it from my side. Sadhna, thank you.